Okay, it's time for me to demonstrate a universal problem with spheres. They curve uniformly, meaning any point that you're on a sphere would be the top, and then as you look out to the distance, it should drop off, similar to what this board is doing that I made. And I did this to demonstrate something. Okay, off in the far there we have a sailboat, and then this pink styrofoam here is the same height as the mast on that sailboat. And then this is our third sailboat. It doesn't look like a sailboat, it looks like a board, but I made a little slot in there, and my iPhone actually slides right in there, just like that. And then I can slide the board. Now, the reason why I have these here is because I'll show you they have the camera height at it's close enough to the top of that styrofoam. So that other boat, obviously this boat cannot see the other boat till we sail up further, and then it starts to come up over the curvature, right? Okay. From boat to boat, we have about 64 inches or so. 64 inches. And let's take our third boat and put it over here at 32 inches. It's right at 32. Now, here's the problem. See the boat? See the boat? And those two boats can't see each other. I can see both those boats, they can't see each other. Now, the scale on this doesn't matter, because a sphere is a sphere is a sphere is a sphere. It doesn't matter how big it is, how small it is, how big my toy boats are. It makes no difference. The point I'm making is that we have the idea that curvature like this is what's causing boats to disappear as they sail away. Well, that happens in a very short distance. So what I'm saying is that if I can sit right here at our 32 inches, I'm on the same alleged water that they are on, yet do you see in the center, right below the yellow level, what is the ground doing there? See that curve? See that curve? That curve doesn't exist on the earth. And it doesn't matter the size of the sphere. What I'm saying is that boat can't see that boat because of the curvature. So let's put that into a real world situation. If I went to the ocean and I looked all the way to my left and I see a boat off in the distance, and then all the way on my right I see another boat off in the distance. Between those boats is much more than 6 miles. And if you were on one of those boats, you might not be able to see the other boat. But I can do a point-to-point visual observation and see that curve, let me back up, that curve doesn't ever exist. The water follows that, I'm going to probably put it on the bottom of the screen. The water follows like this, like a straight line. You would have to be able to see the curvature from this point of view, because from left to right I can see, who knows, 100 miles. And so those boats could be real far from each other and not see each other, but I can see them. And if you've ever been to the ocean, it's a straight flat line, and you can even take a level, put it on a stand, set it up at the ocean, and you will see that it is a perfectly straight line all the way across your view.